In this lesson, we'll show you how to use the view cube. The view cube normally appears in the top right portion of the scene, and it allows you to quickly go to a variety of preset views that are most commonly going to be used when you're working in Navisworks. As you rotate around your model, you'll see that the view cube changes with you, so that you can see at a glance where you are in your model. Additionally, if you run your mouse over the cube, you'll see certain areas highlight. Clicking on those areas will jump you to that view automatically, and there's a wide variety of views you can choose from. You can view your model from a 3/4 perspective, from an angle below, but just to give you an example, let's say we want to view the model from the front. But we'll move the mouse over to where it says front and left click. Our camera is now put at a full-on frontal perspective towards our model. You'll notice in the cube, we're facing the front of it too. If we press the arrows on the sides of the cube, it'll move the cube and the model in that direction. And we can always hit the Home tab to return to the default view. If you click and drag on the cardinal direction ring around the cube, it allows you to rotate freely around your model in the horizontal direction. Now let's talk about the Home button again. Although this can return you to the default view, it also allows you to access an options menu to make changes to your view properties. If you right-click on the Home button, you'll see a drop menu appear. This gives you a great deal of flexibility and customizability within the view cube. You can click View Cube Options to set a variety of parameters pertaining to the view cube, or you can quick set the front and the home view based on the current view that you're in. Let's actually explore the view cube options so we can see what we're able to do. The Navisworks option editor will open, already set to the view cube. Here, you can customize a number of properties pertaining to the view cube. Play around in here so you can get an idea of what works better for you and what doesn't. But you don't have to change any of the view cube options if they work fine as is. Finally, you can always change the perspective of your model by going to Viewpoint and clicking on the perspective icon. Perspective view is the default, whereby further away objects appear smaller. Orthographic, meanwhile, keeps everything parallel and the same size, which makes it easier to work, but is not a natural viewing perspective.